Okay, today we are going to talk about the brand analytics sheet. So we are going to discuss about that where from we can get the brand analytics sheet and how we can get and hunt the pods or selling pods very easily, and we can check their stats to get a random idea. Actually, when we are going to when we hunt the pods on Amazon, we do not go in a specific need. Sometime we just we just wander on randomly and to get the random pods. So what we have to do for this, you should have a Amazon Seller Central account, and then you will go to this tab, which is brands, and then you will click on brand analytics. Okay, so when you will open this tab, you will see these things here. Here we see the department. You can also download the brand analytics sheet for a specific department. For example, you want to hunt a random pod in a kitchen category, so you can select the category from here, and then you can just download this brand analytics sheet. And also you can download this sheet on with weekly data, with monthly data, and with quarterly data. Okay, so let me download this file. I have already done actually. So you will just download from here, and I have already done. After downloading this file, this brand analytics sheet, you will just go to the file and you will open it. Let me explain first this file to you, and then we will discuss this file thoroughly. Okay, let me make some more changes here. So this is the brand analytics files we have. The marketplace is USA, which is amazon.com. You can see. You can also download the brand analytics sheet for the UK market. So this is a keyword, summer dress for women 2022. In a previous week data, this keyword have the search frequency rank top #1. And when someone search this keyword, this ASIN is getting a lot of sales from other ASINs. This is the title of this ASIN, and this is click share rate, which means that when someone search this keyword, he see this part and then he click on this product. This is the click share rate. And the other is, second one is conversion rate. Conversion rate means when someone search this keyword, he see this ASIN and then he just click on this ASIN, click on this part, and then he just buy this part. So its conversion rate is 2.34. Okay, so this is the keyword which is on #2 in this week, in the previous week, and this is the keyword which is on the #3. So these keywords give us the idea actually to hunt the pod. We can just go random with the random of these ASINs, and we can search these ASINs on amazon.com and we can get any random idea. But in this sheet, the first 1,000 to 2,000 pods, if you want to go with them, you should have a high budget in your pocket. But if you want to go with the less budget, then you should try the pods between 2,000 to 60,000. So we can just put the filters to filter out those pods. If we go with the sales frequency and we want to just see those pods who have the sales frequency rank between 2,000 to, let's say, 80,000. So we just put filters here. You will select this row and then you will go to filters, apply filters, and we need the pods. For example, we are going to check the pods between 2,000 to 60,000 or 80,000 such frequency rank. And then you will go to the number filters, and then you will go to between, and you will just type here 2,000, the number having minimum 2,000 search frequency rank, and the maximum is, for example, 60,000. And you will just click on OK. Okay, so now you have the pods between 2,000 search frequency rank to 60,000 search frequency rank. now you can go random with these ASINs. You can check these ASINs one by one, or you can also go randomly by just clicking these ASINs, and you can also get the idea of keyword from here as well. So in this way, this brand analytics sheet is too good to hunt the parts. If you are the beginner and you just want to hunt the good hot selling parts, and you do not know the keywords, and you just do not have any idea about the parts name you want to search on Amazon, so you just can download this brand analytics sheet, and you can just make some random searches with these essence to hunt a hot selling parts. What you will do after this, you will just check these essence on Amazon.com, and you will just check their stats to go with it. Thank you so much. If you like this video, just put on subscribe button. Thank you.